Class 12 Mathematics, NCERT New Delhi and COHSEM Manipur. Unit 6 Probability. Topic Conditional Probability. Exercise 13.1. What is conditional probability? If E and F are two events associated with the same sample space of a random experiment, random experiment amagi chap manaba sample space ki event singni E amasung F habasi event ani oirabadi, the conditional probability of the event E given that F has already occurred, event F si thokraba matungda event E phangbagi conditional probability, which is denoted by P of E oblique F. Conditional probability of the happening of E given that F has already occurred is given by P of E by F is P of E intersection F divided by P of F, provided P of F, probability of happening of F, does not equal to 0. Also, P of E by F has the number of elementary events favorable to E intersection F divided by number of elementary events which are favorable to F. E intersection F की event sigi favorable number of elementary events tuga the number of elementary events which are favorable to F to divide toraga phangba value aduni haibadi end of E intersection F is obtained by end of F divided by this. Properties of conditional probability. Let E and F be events of a sample space S of an experiment. E amasung F haibasi experiment amagi sample space S ki event sing orabadi. Prove that P of S by F is equal to P of F by F equal to 1. Prove toxi. We know that P of S by F haibasi P of S intersection F by P of F ni. S F S की subset ओइबनिना S intersection F asidi F tarani P of F ta P of F ni yaladi 1. Also P of F by F habasi definition ki matung inadi P of F intersection F divided by P of F. Masaga intersection tarabadi P of F tare, which is P of F divided by P of F is 1. Hence, P of S by F equal to P of F by F equal to 1. 2. If A and B are any two events of a sample space S and F is an event of S such that P of F does not equal to 0, then P of A union B by F is equal to P of A by F plus P of B by F minus P of A intersection B by F common. If A and B are disjoint events, then P of A union B by F is equal to P of A by F plus P of B by F. Sina ani suba reduction. P of E complement by F is equal to 1 minus P of E by F. Exercise 13.1. 1. Question number 1. Given that E and F are events such that P of E is 0.6, P of F is 0.3, and P of E intersection F is 0.2. Find P of E by F and P of F by A. We have P of E by F is given by P of E intersection F by P of F. Their values are for numerator, its value is 0.2. For denominator, its value is 0.3. Dividing, we get 2 by 3. P and P of F by E is P of F intersection E by P of E. F intersection E is what? 0.2. P of E is 0.6. Cancelling, we get 1 by 3. For question number 2, compute P A by B. If P of B is 0.5, P of A intersection B is 0.32. We have P of A by B is equal to P of A intersection B by P of B. A intersection B is what? Its value is given as 0.32. P of B, whose value is also given as 0.5. Dividing, Multiplying numerator and denominator by 100, we get this, and cancelling, we get 16 by 25, which is the required probability. For question number 3, P of A is 0.8, P of B is 0.5, P of B by A is 0.4. Find P of A intersection B, P of A by B, P of A union B. Let us try. Here, P of A intersection B is equal to P of A into P of B by A, whose values are 0.8 into 0.4 equal to 0.32. P of A by B is P of A intersection B by P of B. P of A intersection B is thus found out, which is 0.32. P of B is given as 0.5. Dividing, we get 16 by 25. For Roman number 3, P of A union B is equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. Their values are 0.8 plus 0.5 minus 0.32. Solving, we get 1.3 minus 0.32. We get 0.98. For question number 4, evaluate P of A union B if twice P of A is equal to P of B is being equal to 5 by 13 and P of A by B is 2 by 5. We have 2 times of P of A is equal to P of B equal to 5 by 13 and P of A by B is given as 2 by 5. Therefore, P of A intersection B is P of B into P of A by B. P of B is given as 5 by 13. P of A by B is 2 by 5. Cancelling, we get 2 by 13. Therefore, P of A union B is P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. P of A is what? P of A is 5 by 26. P of B is what? 5 by 13. And P of A intersection B is minus 2 by 13. Cancelling, we get 11 by 26. Question number 5. If P of A is 6 by 11, P of B is 5 by 11, and P of A union B is 7 by 11, find P of A intersection B, P of A by B, P of B by A. Here P of A is 6 by 11, P of B is 5 by 11, P of A union B is 7 by 11. Therefore, P of A union B is equal to this. Putting respective values, we get P of A intersection B is equal to 4 by 11. For Roman number 2, P of A by B is given by P of A intersection B by P of B. A intersection B is what? 4 by 11 divided by P of B, whose value is 5 by 11. Cancelling, we get 4 by 5. For Roman number 3, P of B by A is P of A intersection B by P of A. P of A intersection B is 4 by 11 divided by P of A. Its value is 6 by 11. Cancelling, we get 2 by 3. Question number, determine P of E by F in exercise 6 to 9. 6. A coil is tossed 3 times. Coil ama ahumlak khuli, where E denotes head on first third toss. F heads on first 2 tosses. Here S consists of these 8 outcomes. Roman number 1, E head on third toss. Third toss the head phangba hairagadi. Third toss the head phangba outcome ahum, outcome mari silerani. F habasina head on the first 2 tosses. First 2 tosses the head yauba hairagadi. Sige ani similarani. Ani zigi intersection de ice ahum yaubasina oire. Therefore, P of E by F habasidi P of E intersection F by P of F ni. P of E intersection B the out of I ki manungda amakhaktang ni 1 by I. P of FT out of I ki manungda 2 ni, we get half hang. Assume Roman number 2. E is the event that at least 2 heads. Asig outcome ni pan sigi 2 yamdrabada 2 heads 1 2 3 4 mari siyaurani. F at most 2 heads yamabada 2 heads haba. Yamabada 2 heads habadi head yaudaba singsu loina khalani. Head ahum yaubasimadi koi loktokrani. Therefore, E intersection F is ice. Therefore, P of E by F is this, whose formula E intersection F is 3, 3 by I. P of F is 7 by I. Cancelling, we get 3 by 7. For Roman number 3, E at most 2 tails yamlabada tail ani habani tail ani ani yauba tail sunyaw yaudaba singne. F at least 1 tail yamdrabada tail yauba tail tail ani yauba tail ahum yauba sini. Anizigi intersection de silerani common over singsi. Therefore, P of E by F have this formula silere value pisilabadi for E intersection F with is 6 by I. For P of E is 7 by I, 6 by 7. Determine E by F to 6 to 9. 7. Two coils are tossed once, coil ani hulle. Amuktam hulle where E the tail appears on one coil. Tail coil amada tail ama phangba haibani. Coil amada tail ama phangba hairagadi ice tt ice ni. If one coil shows head, coil amana head utpa hairagadi ice tt ice. Babanigi intersection de ice tt ice oirani. And therefore P of E by F to P of E intersection F by P of F, whose value is 2 by 4 by 2 by 4, that is 1. For Roman number 2, E no tail appears 10 amata phangdaba hairagadi head ngakta phangbasibuni. Have no head appears head amata phangdaba hairagadi T ngakta thokpa outcome amasibuni. Intersection de phi tare. Therefore P of E by F to P of E intersection F by P of F, whose values are 0 by 1 by 4, whose value is 0. For I, a die is thrown 3 times, die ama ahumlak hulle. E 4 appears on the third toss the 4 ubadubana ina khangnarasi. 6 and 5 appears respectively on the first 2 tosses. The 6 5 phangbaduna eventually after khangnarasi. Then end of ST out. Ludo amana ahumlak hunba haibasi outcome 6 into 6 into 2 1 6 to ani. And either the third E4 appears on the third toss the 4 phangba haragadi 1 1 4 1 2 4 1 3 4 1 4 4 1 5 4 1 6 4 ama matangna 2 1 4 2 2 4 2 3 4 2 4 4 2 5 4 2 6 4 ama asumna sum lakpana 6 1 4 6 2 4 6 3 4 6 6 4 hariba outcome sing ase phangani. F habasina 6 5 na past 2 tosses the talk paragadi 6 5 1 6 5 2 6 5 3 6 5 4 6 5 5 6 5 6 hariba sing se to ani gi intersection de 6 5 4 6 katang common oirani. Therefore P of E by F to P of E intersection F by P of F asidi kaya lere outcome 1 by 2 1 6 lerani 6 by 2 1 6 kathanari 1 by 6. For question number 9, mother, father, and son line up at random for a family picture. Mama, mapa, masa, hariba, ahum si picture, family picture, amagidamag line, amada lepe. Ina son on one end, machana, nakal aruiba, amada lepa, eventuna ina kangnarasi F na, father in middle, mapa na mayay de lepa, picture do kangnarasi. Here S has outcomes over here. It says son, mother, father, son, father, mother, father, mother, son, father, son, mother, mother, father, son, mother, son, father. Taken in this order that utopia lepia moonsi. Always ed son on one end, son hoba ama son hobada, son, mother, father, mother, father, mother, son, mother, father, son habesima. F na father in middle, father in middle like son, father, mother, father, son, haibasing intersection torabadi event anise son, father, mother, father, son. Therefore P of E by F decelerated yenarabadi 1 tare. 10. A black and a red dice are rolled. Find the conditional probability of obtaining a sum greater than 9 given that the black die resulted in a 5. Black die amaga red die amaga hulli. Find the conditional probability of obtaining a sum greater than 9. Sumna 9 degi sauba phambagi conditional probability putho given that the black die resulted in a 5. Black die aduna 5 phangba matamda phangkraba matungda anisubada find the conditional probability of obtaining the sum 8 phambagi conditional probability putho given that the red die resulted in a number less than 4. Red die aduna 4 dagi pikpa number ama phangkhraba matungda phange habasima piramaba matungda here end of S is die anino hunbadi 6 into 6 36 ni. Let A event of getting sum greater than 9 and let B event of getting a 5 by black die. Then A the yaugadaba adudi samna 9 taba adudi kari lere 4 6 5 5 6 4 5 6 6 5 6 6 A the karina event of getting sum greater than 9 sum greater than 9 hairagadi 10 taba 11 taba 12 taba sing ashini. B event of getting a 5 by black die B asida the black die aduna 5 phangaba matung da haradi 5 1 5 2 5 3 5 4 5 5 5 6 anigi intersection de 5 5 se animakta common oire aduga 5 6 asisu animakta common oire. Therefore P of A by BD P of A intersection B by P of B A intersection BD P of A intersection B the annihilated 2 by 36 P of BD 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 by 36 calculated 1 by 3. Next question number option B gidi find the conditional probability of obtaining the sum I sum I from a given that the red die resulted in a number less than 4. Let A event of obtaining the sum I phangba event to na B na khangna receive B event that the red die resulted a number less than 4 red die aduna na 4 dagi pikpa number ama phangba event to khangna receive then A consists of I taba hairagadi 2 6 3 5 4 4 5 3 6 to haiba outcome singa sini out of which B can be occur B na kaira topa yai 1 black red die aduna 1 dagi red die aduna 1 dagi pikpa number phangba 1 1 1 2 1 3 1 4 1 5 1 6 red die aduna 1 dagi pikpa number ama phangba haragadi 1 di pikpa number di 1 hoba series ama 2 hoba series ama 3 hoba series ama silore ani gi intersection A intersection B di 2 6 haibasimaga common ore ani makta 2 6 haibasima 3 5 haibasimaga ani makta common ore. Therefore P of A by B hairagadi P of A intersection B by P of B is equal to 2 by 36 by 18 by 36 cancelling we get 1 by 9. Question number 11 a pair die is roll ludo among hule consider events E consists of 1 3 5 A consists of 2 3 and G consists of 2 3 4 5. Find P of E by A. E intersection F darkar or which is 3. Therefore P of E by F have the P of E intersection F by P of A whose intersection the out of kaya gi manung da dai gi taruk ni adu di 1 by 6 P of F the element kale 2 by 6 ni kakhatna the half P of F by E sub formula sigi matung na di F intersection E su 1 by 6 let P of E asisu 3 ni 3 by 6 kakhatna di 1 by 3 asumna for Roman number 2 E ga G ga intersection E ga G ga ani ga intersection hairaga de 3 5 ani kaksta yaure. Therefore P of E by G the formula let 2 by 6 by 4 by 6 1 by 2 lerani P of G by E gi su formula se panchilabadi 2 by 6 into 3 by 6 by 3 la a that is 2 by 3 lerani. Sumna Roman number 3 E union F E ga F ka union taurabadi E ga F ka union 1 2 3 5 aduga mo intersection G ga intersection taurasi intersection animak yawadi 2 3 5 ore. Therefore P of E union F by G is by formula we get this mathaki asigi value di 3 by 6 lerni makagi P of G asidi 4 by 6 ni adu mathamaka ona du slede 3 by 4 phange asumna P of E intersection F by G gidi P of E intersection F by G gidi intersection to 1 by 6 into 6 by 4 1 by 4 phange. Question number 12 assuming that each born sign is equally likely to be a boy or a girl angang pokpo khuding nupa nupi oibagi chance chap manai hane laurase if a family has 2 children imung amage angang ani lei what is the conditioning probability that both are guns given that the youngest is a gun akonba aroibada pokpa angang adu nupi masani piram lagadi animak nupi masa oigani haibagi conditioning probability kaya no at least one is a gun ayamdrabada angang amani haiba ama piram lagadi angang animak nupi masa oigani haibagi conditioning probability kaya no. Here the sample space consists of B boy gun boy G haribo option mari asi angang anidu oiba yai aduna wahangda Roman number 1 that the youngest is a girl haibani let a both children are girls apiba angang animak nupi oigani habagi event tuna a na khangnarasi and B denotes the event that the youngest is a girl akon bopokpa angang youngest angang adu nupi masani haibagi event tuna B na khangnarasi then a dadi angang animak nupi habadi Z ni angang youngest to nupi masa oiba hairagadi boy gun taken ani si manungda ani si oiba yai ani sige intersection di Z oirani therefore P of A by B habadi the conditional probability that both are guns given that the youngest is a gun which is equal to this whose value is intersection dadi 1 by 4 P bigidi 2 by 4 kakhana half lady. For Roman number 2, let A denotes the event that both are guns and B event that at least one is a gun. Yamdrabada angang anitigi manungda angang aman nupi angang amadi yamdrabada angang amadi nupi oigani habigi event tuna B na khangnarasi. Then A is Z outcome simakak mari simanungda outcome simakak yawgani B D yamdrabada angang nupi macha ama oiba hairagadi boy gun boy hariba mari simanungda ahumsi oigani intersection torabadi Z gaktang ore therefore P of A by B D P of A intersection B by P of B ni matakiri 1 by 4 divided by P of B D 3 by 4 ni 1 by 3 phange. For question number 13, an instructor has a question bank consisting of 300 easy true or false questions. Instructor amagi question bank amakhak lay 300 easy true or false questions araiba question da true or false ta question chahum ama adu 200 difficult true or false questions 200 difficult true or false questions samalay 500 easy multiple choice question 500 sina multiple choice question araiba aduga 400 difficult multiple choice questions 400 amana difficult oiba multiple choice questions singlay. If a question is selected at random from the question bank adudagi question ama khangatle what is the probability that it will be an easy question madu araiba question oigani haibagi probability kaya no given that it is a multiple choice question masi multiple choice question ne haibasimadi piramme. Here end of S is 300 plus 200 plus 500 plus 400 that is 1400. Let A event of selecting a multiple choice question ama khanbagi event tubuna A na khangnarasi and B na event of selecting an easy question araiba question ama khanbagi event tuna B na khangnarasi. Then A intersection B multiple choice oiba easy su oiba hairagadi event of selecting an easy multiple question. Then P of A is what 500 plus 400 divided by 1400 kakthana 9 by 14 and P of A intersection B hairagadi out of 1400 500 oirani easy oiba aduga multiples oiba 514 leirani. Therefore required probability the P of B by A habadi P of A intersection B by P of A whose values are 5 by 14 mathata putokare 9 by 14 so kakthana the 5 by 9 pang. Question number 14. Given that the two numbers appearing on drawing two dice are different, ludo ani hunbada manadaba number ani ure. Find the probability of the event. The sum of numbers on the dice is 4. Dice ani the uriba number singi tinsinaba false 4 oigani haibagi probability putu u haiba. Given that the two numbers appearing on drawing two dice are different, number ani ludo ani hunbada uba number ani do different ngakani haiba piramle. Find the probability of the event. The sum of numbers on the dice is 4. Dice the uriba number sing do 4 or sum number ani ki sum do 4 oigani haibagi probability putu haiben. Let A event that two numbers appearing are different uriba number anido different haibagi event haibana A na khangnarasi B na event that the sum of two numbers on the dice is 4 dice anida uriba number anigi tinchinaba fold 4 ni then A haibasidadi A haibasidadi manadaba number ngaktani manadaba number haragadi aikoina kari urani doublet amta yaroroi 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 sin yaroroi and P and B the sumna manadaba number anigi sumna 4 taba haraga sumna 4 taba haraga di 1 3 3 1 oirani intersection taradi 1 3 3 1 adum tare the P of B by A the P of A intersection B by P of A P of A intersection out of 2 ni out of 3 6 36 ki manungda 2 ni P of A di kaya no P of A di sida 30 divided by manum di doublet 36 tagi doublet taruk tu log khadi 30 by 36 ka thanari 1 by 15 question number 15 consider the experiment of throwing a die. If a multiple of 3 comes up, throw the die again, and if any other number comes, toss a coin. Find the conditional probability of the event. The coin shows a tail given that at least one die shows a tail. Consider the experiment of throwing a die. Die amagi hunbagi experiment do khanarasi. If a multiple of 3 comes up, 3 ki multiple laklabadi haibadi 3 natraga 6 thoklabadi throw the die again. Die ado amuk hungani. If any other number comes, toss a coil atopa 3 ki multiple lakrabadi atopa coil amuk hungani. Find the conditional probability of the event. The coil shows a tail. Coil duna shows ubagi. Coil duna tail ama utpagi. Conditional probability puto given that at least one die shows a 3 yamdrabada die amana 3 utli haiba. Here S consists of S to the hariba 3 phangabadi lodo hule harabanina 3 ki multiple phambagi taruk ama 6 ki multiple phambagi taruk ama lairani amuksu 1 phangagadi coil hule habani 1 ice 1 t asumna 2 phangagadi 2 ice 2 3 3 di matakta khana khare 4 ice 4 t 5 ice 5 t 6 to pagi di matakta khana khare sample space ta sige outcome singa yaurani. Let A event of getting a 10 on a coil and B event of getting 3 on at least one die. A asina coil da tail phambagi event to A na khangnarasi yamdrabada die amana 3 phambagi event to na B na khangnarasi. Then A consists of tail phangba coil na tail phangba hairagadi 1 t 2 t 4 t 5 t lerani. Event of getting 3 on at least one die amada 3 phangbaragadi 3 1 3 2 3 6 ama 6 3 ama haribasi orani and is the intersection toradi phi lere. Therefore P of A by B the P of A intersection B by P of B this 0 by 7 by 20 that is 0. In each of the exercises 16 and 17 choose the correct answer. 16 if P of A is half P of B is 0 then P of A by B is 0 half not define 1 aji achumbadu khansi P of A by B ki formula is sini P of B di kaya no P of B is 0 ni something divided by 0 is undefined adu the option do C not defined kalani. Number 17 if A and B are events such that P of A by B is equal to P of B by A then adu apiba sidagi ko let us try sidi sina pire siga manare ani dudi P of A ga P of B ga manarani correct option adudi D sume. Extra question sing asi fazaba question ngakani ko sing sisu a distinct question no na happy. Thank you for watching my video.